Hello, this is Mridul Mohan from group number 324. Today's topic is information and entropy. What is basically the information and entropy in biophysics? This is a biology information theory pioneered by the Claude Shannon, provides a mathematical framework to the quantify information. It has profound implications in biology, especially when considering the complex systems of living organisms. And some of the key concepts of this information are: the first is information, the Shannon entropy, a measure of the uncertainty or the randomness in a system. It quantifies the average amount of information needed to specify the state of the system. Mutual information, a measure of the amount of information that one random variable contains about another. The Quebec labor divergence is a measure of how one probability distribution differs from a second reference probability distribution. And the second one is the entropy in thermodynamics. The classical thermodynamics in this are: the entropy is a measure of disorder of randomness in a system. So it increases over time in isolated systems, leading to a state of maximum disorder. Comparing about the statistical mechanics is: the entropy is related to the number of microstates corresponding to the given macrostate. A higher number of macrostates implies other entropy. The connection between the information and the entropy in the biology are: the information as negative entropy. So this information can be viewed as a reduction in the uncertainty or disorder. In this sense, it can be considered as negative entropy. Biological systems as information processing machines. It is a living organisms constantly process and store information. This information is essential for their survival and reproduction. Genetics in information are: the DNA, which stores the genetic information, which is crucial for the development and the functioning of organisms. Mutations can introduce new information or disrupt existing information. Protein folding. The process of protein folding involves the minimization of free energy, which can be related to the maximization of the information. Metabolic network are: the metabolic networks are complex systems that process energy and matter. Information theory can be used to analyze the efficiency and the robustness of these networks. Neural networks. The human brain is a complex network of neurons that processes information. Information theory can be used to understand how the brain encodes and processes information. In the information and the entropy, the process of breakdown is basically the concept of entropy. Entropy, a fundamental concept in physics and the thermodynamics, is often associated with disorder or randomness. In simpler terms, it measures the degree of uncertainty or unpredictability in a system. As systems evolve, tend to move towards states of higher entropy or greater disorder. The information theory and the entropy. Information theory, pioneered by the Claude Shannon, provides a mathematical framework to quantify information. Surprisingly, information and entropy are closely related. Information can be reviewed as a reduction in uncertainty or decrease in entropy. Entropy in biology systems are incredibly complex and highly ordered. However, they also rely on the principles of thermodynamics, including the increase of entropy. Living organisms maintain their order by constantly exchanging energy and matter with their environment. And DNA and the information. DNA, the molecule of heredity, stores vast amounts of genetic information. This information is encoded in the sequence of nucleotides, which specify the amino acid sequence of proteins. Mutations can introduce new information or disrupt existing information, leading to evolutionary change. Protein folding and entropy. Proteins are complex molecules that fold into specific three-dimensional structures. This folding process is driven by minimization of free energy, which is related to maximization of entropy. Misfolded proteins can lead to various diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. So the cellular metabolism and entropy cellular metabolism. These metabolism have involves a series of biochemical reactions that extract energy from the nutrients and use it to perform cellular work. These reactions are coupled to the dissipation of the energy, which increases the entropy of the system. Signal transduction and information cells. So communicate with each other through signaling pathways, which involve in the transmission of information from one cell to another. This information is encoded in the concentration of signaling molecules and activation of specific proteins. Neural networks and information processing. The human brain is complex of network of neurons that processes information. Neurons communicate with each other through electrical and chemical signals, and the patterns of these signals encode information. Ecology and entropy. Ecosystems are complex systems that involve interactions between the organisms and their environment. The flow of energy and the matter through the ecosystem is governed by the laws of the thermodynamics. As energy is dissipated, the entropy of the ecosystem increases. So, the 10th topic is evolution and information. Evolution is driven by the natural selection which favors individuals with advantageous traits. These traits are encoded in genetic information or organisms. Over time, the accumulation of genetic information can lead to the emergence of new species. 11th topic, quantum biology and information. Quantum mechanics provides a framework of understanding the behavior of matter at the atomic and subatomic level. Some scientists believe that quantum effects may play a role in biological processes such as photosynthesis and enzyme catalysis. So, coming to other topic, future directions. The intersection of the information theory and the biophysics is rapidly evolving field. Future research may explore the role of quantum information in biological systems and the development of novel biotechnologies and the application of information theory to drug discovery and personalized medicine. Thank you.